Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically see the history of your Bluetooth paired devices on your iPhone. It is super simple. You're just going to drag your control center down, then you are going to select the Bluetooth tab here, and you're going to select it again, and you'll see every device that's been connected with your Bluetooth. If you can't open that, just go to the settings tab here and utilities, and you're going to scroll until you find the Bluetooth here. You'll see my devices, none of them is connected, but that's all of the devices that's been connected to my phone. If you want to forget a device, select one, maybe this one, then you're going to select forget this device and forget device. Then it's going to remove it, and you're just going to do that so there's not a lot of devices on your Bluetooth setting mode. But yeah, if you turn it off, you won't be able to see it, so make sure you've enabled your Bluetooth first before you do that. And well, that is it for this video. That's how you can see your Bluetooth history on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And make sure you've enabled your Bluetooth, or else you won't be able to find the history of the devices that's been connected. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you appreciate it. Bye!